Hello, we've made significant improvements to the packing interface aimed at boosting packing speed and accuracy. You can now quickly select packing materials, easily track packing costs across fulfillments, and run through packing steps faster than before. Let's demonstrate with an order already created with an existing fulfillment. When fulfilling an order, the new packing UI shows items to be packed on the left and packing materials on the right. No need to enter packing material dimensions every time now. Select previously created packing materials from your master data. You can watch a video linked in the description to learn how to create packing master data. Assign items to a box by simply clicking, selecting the items on the left side, and clicking on the Assign Items to the highlighted box. To add another box, click, Add Box, and assign remaining items. You can also unassign items if you need to move them to a different box. If a packing material doesn't exist, you can quickly create it here. Costs are tracked for your packing material using your master data. There is built-in error validation at every stage. You'll need to enter weights to proceed. After entering weights, continue. Once all the required info is entered, move to the next step where you can purchase labels from integrated carriers or enter carrier tracking details if buying labels offline. The rest is similar to existing fulfillment.